I really need a luxury property specialist to ensure I get the best value for my home.
We've been raising the bar in marketing luxury properties since 1979. By positioning high-end properties in unique ways, using state-of-the-art technology, and creative marketing.
How would you typically position and market a luxury property?
The key is, it's not typical. Luxury homes are by their nature distinctive. Our marketing programs are tailored to the specific needs of your home to ensure your property is seen by the right people and sells for the best possible price.
How will you best show my property?
We position and present your home in the best possible light. With our unique set of tools, including expert photography, virtual tours, lifestyle videos, 3D walkthroughs, virtual staging, and professional copywriting. Then we put together a customized marketing program including advertising, social media, direct marketing, and e-marketing. Not to mention Raveis.com, which gets over 10 million visits per year.
What about international buyers? Will they see my property?
Absolutely. Our global marketing program helps you reach even more affluent buyers around the world. We market homes to over 70 countries with listings on over 2,000 international sites, which is one of the reasons why we were voted #1 luxury broker by leading real estate companies of the world. Our reputation is underscored by the sale of over 30,000 luxury properties. When it comes to marketing your luxury home, welcome to the luxury of #1. Contact us today to find out more. William Raveis, the best just got better.